Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower of two different colors. So let's get started. I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a Red Heart Super Saver yarn. You can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. First of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook we would start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5, and after 5 chains make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, and after that wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Make double crochet 2 into the magic chain circle, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10 and double crochet 11, then double crochet 12. Remove this double crochet because chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet. So we have 12 double crochets including the 3 chains. And now we would change the color. And into the third chain make a slip stitch with change color. Now make chain 1, and make a single crochet, into same space, then make double crochet 1 into the next single crochet double crochet stitch, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and after that make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Now into the next one again make 5 double crochets, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. After that, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, and now into the next double crochet stitch again make 5 double crochets, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then make a slip stitch, single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. So in this way make 3 more petals. So I have made my petals. Now we would change the color again. So make a slip stitch with change color into the first single crochet stitch, and now into this chain 3 space we would make a single crochet, and after making single crochet make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, again make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, and make slip stitch in 5 double crochet stitches of the petal, and after that make a slip stitch into the single crochet stitch, and after that we would make a single crochet right into the double crochet stitch where we have made our single crochet stitch of the previous round. So make a single crochet into this stitch, and after that again make slip stitches in the next 5 double crochet stitches, after that make a slip stitch into the single crochet stitch right here, and again make a single crochet into this stitch where we have made single crochet of previous round. So in this way we would complete our round by making slip stitches in 5 double crochet stitches of petals, and then slip stitch into the single crochet, and then making a single crochet into the first round double crochet stitch on from where we have made single crochet stitch of the second round, and complete the round by repeating the process in every petal. So I have completed my round. In the last make last slip stitch, pull the yarn, cut it, and cut the blue yarn also. Now weave these yarn ends with the help of yarn needle. Red yarn will be woven by this technique. we would pull the yarn needle through red stitches back and forth, and in this way we would weave this red yarn end. In the same way we would weave the blue yarn end also. I have woven the ends. This is the back side of flower and this is the front part. This is a very beautiful crochet flower. You can use it to make bags or you can place it on fabric shirts also. You can use it in any of the project you like. You can make blankets of it also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.